to Akamugri, Atanga. Why has he ordered the immediate closure of Zarungu Senior High School? We are told there's been a violent clash between the Gurune and the Kusasi students. Adaya, one of them, Eda say Gurune and now Kusasi ni, so I found a phone. And omuko kontokwa. Omuku we ya afi classroom hono, school hono mono. Gurune fo ako jinafa na Kusasi ako jinafa. Hey, senior high school. Asamo yaba. Senior high school. Gurune fonye. E Kusasi fonye. Nanka school di enka tokwaba. Oni ni mienu na enya asem. Ede na Kusasi foko jinafa. Na Gurune fo suko jinafa. David. Say wa asante man temwa. Ya de say asante fo ne infante fo na infante fo ni nyina ko gusa no mo to boba. Na you will never find this. Is this where we are getting to? Kwame Nkrumah the boarding house by now the botai ne say obi frisrim ebebe opokuware no obi fri asantemem eko tamale no obi fri seshi abo opokuware no obi fri opokuware asantemem ko seshi na nkrani aba school a etie ko school no uko register ne ebo list na bi Ashanti region tino ebia ye be dosu kakra by dana obehu obi ofri framantem patient agblevo Johnson Nyamlelegbe obehu Isaka Seidu na wahu no Joyce gugumsa ukon kran a obohu akwasinsia no ko school a Chimota and now ko school Accra Girls Joyce Esibe. Kwame Nkrumah wanted us to mingle, connect. Said the beya enko yese o frisirema uni mobia ejubon so bu on morning ni be wi school oya santini na damfo pa yesremni na damfo pa of free Cape Coast na damfo pa free North na it was for us to now we dey kwala e school na so ba kwafa ba kufuna wotime hunu so ekusasi ni we hunu so egurune ni amom de abom kwala no so ahyase
we know about Kennedy and go school. And I wanted to say, the Barco Mochuma no call about Kina prayer more.
Yes. Obo Okra school mu, they became like family.
Yes.
And now Sukra men Busianu mienu kra cabo.
Is a Nina or no car or not.
2 bones and Mema Busiane bia we are Fia Kente. Many Pamaram for Bakwam in the school, Gas Aluta. We became like family. We are finia manum no munyano. They see me as a brother. Yes. Sanity Upukuario, Wawayo, Ubu on in the school, and I'm for Mummy in our butchery, go across Munina cry, worry, a bushia bimu. It's there. Nobody have fed a more phone and marching. Who's asking you, Gurune? One way. Then you have to say,
oh my Yankopo Adaroma by Uncle Sunu Shaw. When you can see, I don't pay your betcha your tear funina and Chiano every Dr. Ba as a year and your day bread, your for and your tear for inina. And there I don't pay a ye dinkum, a catcher on the say. Eye Ayarasabia Akwazibro ne say hospital. Aha, and no. Na ye dear no, a dear woman say ye de a bibidro. Eya haban enubra ana yen ye de saya de ewe asoe ho na de enti amada ne dan nyina ye betena se ye ka che wo se fa ye number no na frɛ ye ne nka che wo se yade ne ye tenetene se eye 0244
0244
988
988
004
004
0244
0244
988
988
004
004
and it was 0244
0244
08
08
34
34
82
82
0244
8
34
34
8
82.
we aya Dr. Ba number ye didi dwuma ewe aso ye ho sa o hwe Dr. Ba ye wo Kumase Atonsu Agogo da bi e ka cho se government hospital na Aban hospital na wo Kumase Atonsu Agogo no na chi ana Dr. Ba yen ye wo afa utwam enkranso ye wo Spinters Road 18 Janshi ho e won so ubehu Dr. Ba ho etoda ya na nipa bebre ebre ewo yade ho ana ya adwene hunu se enya ade bi abayo na kire se obi na eye wa na obi na atoadu eviza twro na yedi akire no o se ye ni dua na ba yemfa aba ne nsa yade eno kire se enipa ba wiase nko ade obeyare na wo yare a ade a wo so ukodi akire eya haban eno na nipa bebre hunu haban ne te enti na ote haban na se diabetes de opeso ode kosa osa enti obi osa no obenum se obi adro ofa we ya no we eno ana Dr. Betu fo aka cha wo se ye won haban ya wodo ai bia won yade ayesa enti oba pa se bia fibroid pa na ha wo kroma e bia ukwa se fifi nketenkete ukwa se wodi ande anyina ma awo kra si ukwan ama ofu kra yakese obi die ukwa ye operation asaba eno utu na mo na ewura Dr. Ba na ba na Dr. Ba hwe ni ehu se oh fibroid se na tie ni e mo bibidro ni bia wo be hu se fibroid na ni nyina akọ enti se bia wo koyi operation bi wo saade no ho na wo bre sebe amen na wo kura mo ayede ama bra Dr. Ba ho ni e mo bibidro ni habai fisi e wo ho aduro e wo ho afu betu obi wa yam kro osa ene no etete no enti amen ne chese wo be hu na nani mo aye basa ubehu na ne boa no twere ubehu no ofe obi aduane to ne yamu ano ofe na nchese ne yamu dwa no ni nyina gira osaba so edin bi eda osa so aye ahodo ba miensa eda so on oba Dr. Ba ho a enu ya hye da ye na adure no so eye bosome ba ko pe una se osa na tena wusu fie bebre no na Dr. Ba atwa ne ko enti se ye ka bibiduro ne ye ka so obi ni ahaban ti a wusa Dr. Ba wo se ena makoti we nka meko a awieye no obesa ba Dr. Ba ho efise nyankopon wo bi adom achade a odedum no wo wiase Dr. Ba dia nyankopon dia adom no se yenhwa aban yemfa nsa wo osa ni mfiri mu yemfa nsa diabetes ni mfiri mu yemfa nte pressure no so man meto ye dia na ye Dr. Ba asoye se paze titru ye se akora yakre aye krakrakaka wanya adwene mu hawo chese wo chekere na nchekere enne no atiesia no oro ne ho echina no kasa buso wo wiase nyina wa fa kan adwene na hyase ehun kan enso wutira anye ya esan adwene enso wiase obi enu a pa yeni ye nyina ya Kristofo nanso emra wo bɔ mpa ye no ema nipa na wo be ye honam mu dia eye adure de be ma na me nipa ne yade na kɔ enti wo ba bi wunua bi wanya adwene mu hawa fane bra Dr. Ba ho yen wo meto si ye kobo ni chen mu fane nkɔhye ba bia eye aduro ye de ma na obeda odanyane eno ano na fe de wo ye nsem fata na adwene no atimi abayie enti obi wa adwene mu ha wabodam a fane bra Dr. Ba ho afi obi de ye twere yade eno nso saa yade ye yade a aha nipa bebre aha ma aha mrante aha mpanimfo ene young girl be ne ho fefefe nso yade etene so ye twere enti wo wura nipa mu school no akɔ no akɔtwa hwe enti amana Daniel nimkwase amanti school no kro ntimi nkobiem mame emoa ba mumu fa akwara na wunua na wotwa no bra Dr. Ba ho yemma na duro ma na haban ya betimi ama twere yade na firi ne so ama odon so anya no fa ahodie ya bobo yade so ne ya ka che ne se stroke na mame ne papa no eno nso obetimi de aba Dr. Ba wa na bi ote wono woka ana ye di stroke ye kina stroke de enko mesrawo bra baje ahaban ye betimi abo nipadua no ama sabi ntini bi emu asisie ama moja ntimi nkomu ni afurusa ne nkofa ba bia wosefa ema nipadua ne nya no fa hodie no yebemu adura betumi abiebie ntini nim ama wo nipadua no ohaw ne amane afiri mu enti ne anopa me no kasa obi die bi akompo bi ena etete no obi die ye hania enkoi ena ha no obi die afro beto no hwewanim ama na beda no two obi die hyehye ni furu ma ho ama okoto ankoto da bia na etwe no hania brane amfa bibidro entu ase emawo enti sa no ma we nyina ye keka ne ye yade a sabi yete ne tete maneko enu nti na ya ne ye nhyedan kan ne bebre fisi apese ye boso na wodeba na ye wie we mu nyina ne ye ka kire se tai hunu se wo beba doctor ba sama we nyina ebekọ ama wo so ho ato enti na ebia me maami bi me papa bi otie me ne night afọmụ ana ayetofo obi ne nsai wode ya na yetititi obi ose ananse achime nsa obi okasa akra na asa na no na echi akra ni nyina sa no ma we nyina no ewo se utu ho anamon e de ba doctor ba so eye na fe ye hwe hwehya ne nso se de enti a wonkonya doctor ba adro ewo pharmacy shop bi ana drugstore bi ne se yampesu obi ko akoto adro ba bi no beka say doctor ba adro na nso enye yade na open adro enu ti doctor ma se wo ba ye wo mfidie oni edi mfidie na hwew ni ayo de wo mu ni ama o ka ni ehunu se ye tritiw ye ne ye hwe wo ma wo yade na wo so no afiri wo so entempa na ho ato enti wa me no ka say enye wa dwe se no ma me bubo so nya wo konyi adro bi ato da bi je se wo ba ye hospital ana ye heba ho no na fe wo ba kurampa fise yade bebre sese utra nye ya wodi wani babu yade we nanso na nye yade kro enu nti na akọ hospital ye ye labs eye on fidie di hwem ehunu se yade a wo ka ho asem no enu waduro ane ede ma wo enu nti doctor ba se wo pre yade ho na yade ne nkọ na se wutu anamon ebehu oyaresafo oduyefo ate se chamfo ba anyare wanyina bedwane a obehu se yade no ho po chechecheche eni chebi obehu se yade no afri ni paduanum afi ye wiewe ya ne ye ba ya yare sapa na de so ba itere no a ye freni ni padua wu dompe no ka se akwase broni se ubon no enti wo ka ye se ye bone expert ye ni enim kase no ekwanya faso a yade ba mu no ye yi sa yade ni firi mu enti anopai ebia na wu dompe mu ye otwitwiri awo ba ye woje ho anye obi osole fi se awo kakra ba na hututu aka no ni dompe ne kase mu hwe no yenkote yesasabro yenkote yeti arthritis titi nipa no ama me papa mi nua etu ma yade wei atimi age wu dompe aboso abra doctor baate wo etwen wo sebra no mo bibiduro betimi ama wu dompe ne ho anya no fa hodi a na wo se wo sasabro no ba arthritis na asabia so wa aposo ama na opagya wo nsempagya woto won sento wutwa okowentwa wudu net afom ana kan wo wanhwe abekaso obi kura na ato adu ni nyina ye yade we mu na awurawura nipaduanum ama na kokan kase na ama nkase no eho kire no na se wuhunu kwan na do ani kire Dr. Bao na ya arthritis ana se sasaburo bi rheumatism bi na edi nipa ni nya wo nkase ni mu a nyankopada wo ma ye wo sa ho adura ye de bepam afiri wudom panim ama wudom pen anya no fa hodie ena bi obi achi kasa abramu emu abiebie eye ne ya wo ye no hwe enye ye ena ne spinal cord nti okoda mu a wontimi na wotra kete so esense wo nyankwanhia bi ama ne kan dachi obi dia na nse ya papa bi frem o se me ba ma antem nkantem ekwana me nante nanso maka form sese mi tibiem anam so ma na ba mumu omra Dr. Bao na fe yenhwe ne empagya no emfiri ba bi owo enkonko yansa na wanya saa ohaw no bra Dr. Bao ne emfa haban entoto kasa na ohaw ba mu no na fe wunsu nya afa odie obi die ye ni kotodwe na ye ne ya eno so anopa ba Dr. Bao a nyankopa dawo ma ye behwew ama saa no mani nyina firi so obi ni sisi na ye ne ya ni nyina no eye Dr. Ba da bia me kasa ye keka yaresabia ne keka ba bia yade betimi akontem a na ba bia wo so do ani kire ye Dr. Ba so ye obomoten gie number no na fefu ani kire Dr. Ba ho ne ehwe ma yade ɔhaw ne amane emfiri so ɛyɛ 0244
0244
988
988
004
004
0244
0244
988
988
004
004
0244
0244
08
08
34
34
82
82
wadawoma wo hwɛ Aban hospital nachi ana abehu Dr. Ban ewo Kumase ana nkran so ye was painters road 18 junction hwesa no pe wo petrol traffic baabi a wudi wani kire abesa yade no mane nya baabi ba ko pe emra wani so eno ane ba.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your week. Apewahin kafra na apewahin eye juma ewo Lawson TV and radio na same nyina ne say ne laptop bag and the valuables of our car and around 7 p.m. of our Pragia after our hills one of our Pragia from Pankrono Estate, few meters away from True Vine Hospital, Kane HFM ho. Na okofane car ewo washing bay. Our tafo enti misro Pragia abrante bi fro car no anwumre 7 p.m. Ewo Pankrono Estate True Vine Hospital nchen ho Kane HFM ede wo call ya du kodru Shell filling station Pankrono no na ohun nipa na wahro ne car no enti na ase nani ama ne ho so to Africa nim tia driver ne car abra one fan back enti we nye car obi be ka se car nipa be me ensan se 9 etre mu Pragia driver utie me amesrew laptop no external hard drive pen drives the Ghana card also passports na appointment letters, contract, car registration, any documents be editor. La pay marks or mode juma and a cash kakra what is a sicaro no afa crowd and the man fabra. University of Education Winneba and the certificates. University of Cape Coast certificate. ID cards and the Niama be brave. Edini Samuel Apple Ahin. Ejimi Pacho Pragia driver. Me nka se we are. We a very decent young man. Untumi we are there. Friend is a ne fa ne bag ne mano. Oye century ni. Enema bebre kura lost in for nema bi la pair mics ni abedi ni ho. Esia oni Ghana card, oni passport, o say the documents nyina na wo ne laptop bag ni. Me Pacho. Where they misego misayem. The number is 0244. Say also so obi no adi nkomo sa say ofa obi niema sa. Friend ka chen say masa ye niema ye bodin ye kan ho asem wo Sompa 0244 198328 0244 198328 na obecha wade misrew. Just say said the documents in Yana. Now, probably so documents when we are seeing Ekutas and so open so say 0244 198328. Okay. Beautiful. Now to say Bibi Aboko. Okay, maybe I will change this here. Mami kwa Manasonamni Regional Minister, Honorable Donatus Akamugri Atanga. Honorable, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you too?
Na wadaruma ede na akosia enwa behiyama Zarungu Senior High wa calling for immediate closure. Information on the man na briefing on the man say.
I don't speak Twi, so let me go in.
Okay, go ahead. My producer said you could speak Twi, but don't worry, go ahead. What actually transpired causing the closure of the Zarungu Senior High School?
Well, it was early dawn, the early hours of Sunday, that some disturbances occurred on campus, and the masters were elected, and then they had to call for police to come. So I was informed. So the police went there to calm down the things. So early dawn, we went there, and they all got there. The students, the girls dormitory started already packing their bags and their boxes to go home. When questioned, they said that the male students told them that they were giving them some 5 minutes. They don't leave the place, they will attack. So because they were scared. So we tried to engage to find out what the situation is. They realized that the school is made up of the boarding and then the boarding and then the day students together.
That's right.
So you can't hold brief what will happen. Those of them who had already gone into their private places to stay. It's those that were on campus that you can talk to them. But those who have gone and they are staying in the private houses, we're not able to get them. So the better way to do is to to close down the school temporarily and get out to them. And the cause was just simply because according to them, it was alleged that one student stole a mobile phone. And then when he was confronted by the owner, supported by his brothers, he also mobilized his friends. So in the process of that, it broke the whole free for all fight broke, and that is how the whole situation is. So once the police have gone in, the boys were not understanding, and they had gone to even burn down their own common market, and then some other food joints where they are selling food for them. They went and burnt down that one. So we looked at the situation that. And we thought that it's better. Even psychologically, the students will not be able to learn if they are threatened that they will attack them. So if you don't allow them to leave campus for things to turn normal before they come back, you will not even be doing services again to the people. So that's why we asked them to go home, so that temporarily they will check the situation. When it's normalized, then we'll bring them back.
Is it the case in Kusasis and Groni?
No. To the information I got, when I went there with the security agencies and we met the school management, it is that the boy who even stole the phone is rather from northeast Nakwanduri. I know that if it's Nakwanduri, it's likely that it's a Bimoba, sort of.
Okay.
If it's even a Mamprusi, maybe it has gone to stay there. But I know that Nakwanduri is mostly Bimobas. But I have not gone down into the background yet. But I suspect that he could be a Bimoba boy. And it happened that he stole the Kustasi boy's phone.
Okay.
And so, and the Kustasi boy was now trying to confront him. And once he went there, he went with some of his brothers also from Boku Enclave. And then it happened that some profile boys who are also friends too, that Northeast guy, the Bimoba boy, also wanted to support them.
So that's what sparked the...
That's what it was free
clash.
For all. It was like the students, I mean, various, the one whose phone is lost or has been stolen has his friends to support him. And then the one who also stole the phone has his friends to support him. So it was not clearly a case where we engage them. It was not tribal in nature.
So I know definitely the Regional Security Council will have a meeting and then we'll put closure to it.
Yes, I was there with the regional, the BNI, the crime officer, the regional police commander. We were all together. We all engaged the school management. So we're all there. So it is today that we'll look at, and we deployed the military and the police on campus yesterday throughout the night.
Okay.
To observe what will happen. So this morning they have reported that no negative activity around the place. So in the course of the day, we'll try to get ourselves together to see how to.
So those students who have traveled some distance, how are they coping?
Those who have traveled from this, those who are from the Boakye enclave, because the security situation there, even the buses that go that those areas are normally escorted. So yesterday I had to mobilize the buses from the various schools, the other sister schools.
Okay.
So that we made the military to escort and the police to escort them to the various towns. So they were comfortably sent to their towns, except that those who are staying in private places that I don't know. But those who were on campus, I mobilized the
buses
for
them to
and carted them
go
to
their destinations. Okay. Honorable Donato Sakamugri Atanga, thanks. Okay. Apa is regional minister, and I didn't have to train Koma. What I say, and yet then say you grew on the phone, Kusasi for Toka. Na woman's a crown, we are on the phone, Kusasi. No, on for 4 better, she said. A branch that we are on the phone for not the man. No, so the way we are for now, go school, how could we are from say? On so and grow 4 better, no, so her crowd for Northeast, so she's going to be a mobile person, and you'll be our gruni, and that's why your mum pusini baby. I guess a mum pusini kusas in Tokobia shall see school. But no cranny said, and near my sack or so, or much master shape, baby, or moody DNA. Will be on word and the cram or mark was shading horny at the intino. Yaman Colani coffee. Nami Busas and Colano so almost so free chichi by any. So more boko horn de Omuma baby, but or more. Oh, mamma, no behind that man, the woman the ABC. Rexec will meet and they will look at the situation and give an appraisal. We hope NJB Obesam and Kolana school. Yo. Yanto also Wahabra Tabita for Atrasi. What about now to say?
Mpamcho nyankopo adumo na oswe.
Nyambisme hoyepa. Anopa mi entio Nepal the few asweba.
Mpacho anope Tabita clinic ede inchiama yetiefo ene yahwefo nyina. And there Tabita clinic eba bekasa afa yare a yefre ne syphilis no. Na ansa na yebeka yare no yebebubo bebi a ye branches ene dwumedi a yedi ewa yaswe honom. Oba Tabita clinic adwumedi a yedi titrepa ene diabetes ene prostate ne faraban baby bia prostate ne dru bia o de ba yaswe yewa yebehwo wo ulcer infections bia o de ba yebehwo wo asthma hepatitis B biare bia yentimi ambo show na ya show feso na afa so sa wo pay kira kwan aye wa hojo da ban Cindy Junction e wo Kumase uko Accra aye wo Medina Fire Food Bridge ase wonom uko Sunyane so aye wo New Doma Road Pastoral Junction uko Takrade aye wo Airport Road opposite police quarters e honom na obehun Tabita ye kira kwan wo pay numbers ye didi edwumedi 0530 38 78 12 0530 38 78 12 and that no pay no ba betwetwe nkomo afa yare ye friend syphilis on ye ka syphilis yare na e kan yare na ye nya no endem yare no na syphilis yare bia sa wonyi obi a owo bi kohia e na wonye bi anase oba a wanyi nsan a wenko antenatal amayan check no other labs and enti no syphilis no so no ye wo bacteria bia e cause sa syphilis ye friend Trichomonas pallidum eno na e transfer sa mbwawa no e de koma other partner no enti pempi na ye tufo say se wo yo obi afe na wasi su ana se o twempna enka mo mienu no mo beko ayaresa bia ye wo bibia efe ne pre medicals na mo mienu maye na ma check ahwe se obi bia eni bi ansa na mo hye mo e wo mpa so na mbayo na yanyem no se yenyem ayenko antinenta na yenhwe se ebia ye wo bi ana se yeni bi ansa na yetimietu anamo na yetimi afa ye ho yafa yawo yafa ye ho afa ye ba na syphilis yare na eba obi bebisa se den na wo behu no empempi no syphilis yare no wunya edi 3 weeks ansa na wehu nsonsan so ewo ni pedua no mo na nsonsan so obehu na ebi ni se wo benya rash ewo o private part areas no na ubetumi enya fever se ho beye shikakra na se wo ye akra so na wo ma mede wo wa empempi no ko score wa adwen no ana so wisdom audition ada na se knowledge no wo form kakra enti no aye se wo nyima wo beko ANC na ya show senya wo so betimi aiden awa afa oba na syphilis yare no se wonya na se wentimi entwiti ni ye ana se wan twiti ni ama na nkwa there are complications etime ba wo ni pedua no so complications a obetimi enya ebi ni se obetimi elusi wo memory obetimi weni aiden efra anase ebetimi aiden ebubu eguo syphilis yare bia ha adwin bebre so wentu ho anomo a enwoma ebetimi esi eno no na mesre se wa yare ye friend syphilis and then anope anase time a obenye bia ye adwuma from Monday to Friday ye she adwuma se 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Tabita clinic ye chi akwan a ye wo ahojo da ban Cindy Junction e wo Kumase a wo takrade ye wo airport road opposite police quarters na wo Suyani so ye wo New Doma Road Pastoral Junction na wo akra so ye wo Medina Fire Food Bridge asia honom na obehu Tabita Clinic sanya bidi nkan Tabita Clinic ye dwumedi aye di teacher pan diabetes prostate infection sibia ba say gonorrhea say ye white and asa chlamydia say ye syphilis sanya magbebe di hu komo enda anope ubetimi aide etu anamo ede aba hepatitis B ubetimi di aba ulcer typhoid malaria yare bia atna oso acha hypertension ni na o de ba Tabita Clinic ye be anope Tabita Clinic ede ba be so when na anope ye number say ye didi ye dwumedie no 0530 38 78 12 0530 38 78 12 and now no pe wa we are bia obetu weni ahwe Tabita Clinic ye be sure na ya show feso ama menye wan say ene yare na anope na ye de brɛ eno no ye da si bebre.
Okay, that's pa mini aba. All right, Luma technology for any common na actual transit na the engineer mo woma Ghana adehye ne adina pacho fidie no de si wanim na aso green. Okay, akwaba na ho to say
Christadom.
Okay, no pe me hu se me hu Luma wa ha na me hu NL wa ha. But Luma Technologies and Trading Limited no money or mujumedi any say mummy no mudi ade abobo manimu.
Jumedi no mami enchia etiefo
Joseph
na midindi kwesipuku.
Okay.
Yo Accra Luma Technologies.
Okay.
Accra.
Okay.
Na yeni NL ewo partnership.
Mo on katiketa hudie.
Ingita hudie. Ingita hudie ni say NL products biano Luma yeton. Na yeton so a yeton say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Ye the machine and eton.
To machine e kutawe.
Machine and the kita.
Pejama me. We
sa pepe.
I don't know to be pest will be a bit lota.
Sir.
Machine when as you see a modi chamano.
And the chamano.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Inti ye return all
NLA for say be a Monday special, Tuesday wine, Wednesday wine.
Sir, and anopa no say your anopa morning vag.
Anopa.
Morning vag.
Tika anopa say ya. No what cha.
Sir, and no if we anopa kukusi 10 o'clock na ye close.
They no number one time
by 10:30 na results na ba.
E do try anopa ya obetima kucha. By 10:30 na we dia wo.
Ah no we dia wo.
Where ni awo.
We dia wo.
Oh how far?
Sanity. And area dey no so no after 10:30 na no so no you noon rush. Enu nti no
noon rush. That's a we aka ho kwajo de.
Sa. Nti you know enu so no by 1:30 na e close.
Okay.
E close by 2 o'clock no na results na ba.
Okay.
Enu so e banzo so ba wudi a ni nyina no be ka machine ho asem.
Okay.
Machine na e betu ama.
Machine we are and the betu ama. Ansa na akwa kudu enwumre die no. Enwumre die no e bia ene man dey say enwumre die say no say ucha machine e close 7:20 enwumre. By 7:20 now.
7:20 na close. By 7:25 penana mesinaba.
5 minutes.
5 minutes penana mesinaba. Because emra processing na lotteries e dey bubo man nyina no na emra omo yes na ombe bubo man na penana machine na close. It no say within 5 minutes no bubo man every.
Yeah.
And no dia machine na betu ya e dey ama. Na machine no ade a ba ko ewo ma e ma no eye different from other machines. Your other machines wo but machine we say no near eye different from other machines ni say.
Okay.
When unya the 100 cedis eto so a about 145 cedis.
So say.
O say machines no ansa na betumi use dey adwuma no e so this scatter machine so. Say na be obi ba o gi ni sika na o twama no.
O twama no.
Na
okay.
And internet say unya dey 100 cedis ato machine so no a obi ba be twama no no.
O commission 45.
O commission of 45 cedis.
Eda so.
Itu nye cheri say pa no 45 cedis aso botom.
Wow, be use machine no. So we a vendor.
Sir. It when you add 45 cedis show botom na 100 cedis one stand akwakoto friend say we eguso a wo dey to eguso
ah wo timi dey twa mo bi
yes mumu into do betwe free wo phone so na dey gu machine no so
okay
into anu an say wo load mumu wallet ne keke o the 100 cedis betu mumu wallet no asen atwe ato machine no so
okay
into ebinum so etumi ye adwuma pa obi won mo betumi ye adwuma ebia a day no otumi ye adwuma ebia 1000 cedis 2000 cedis a day yes into no calculate 45 by 10 20. Yes 2045 by 20 45 is 45 I know your commission no so we know 100 cedis ana so obi din so machine na nkasa so ana etua oka
na machine etua ka
mo ne ma machine etua ka ne say ye wo baabi wo ho no wo machine so a wo say ma na wo twa wo machine so nyina no watwa e de ameni pa no de ko na emum say ticket na ma no ai wo ticket na de ameni pa no so no wo body share machine no mu na say aba na edi a machine be kire say aba na edi okay no wa kire baabi a wo kwa na wakwa kutua usika no ato wa kire baabi a wo pese utua usika no to ebia wo mumu ko a wo pese mumu na makwa pese utua usika no to obe ma sa option no na watua e de ato nti utua ebia say wankasa wo mumu se na pese utua to se nipa na wadi no mumu se na pese utua to ya no de the only thing is say wo ba
na just be ba me ba na fancy bia me twa noon rush moji me mumu number na
Debbie who try the new I just ready
be try no
wo ba bia wo try no
na me mumu number ma o
sa ada so de mumu na we ma no se bi so a na ono ankasa kwa yi sika na to won ma dada
okay obetuma year free
yes obetuma yi machine every machine
me ba o na ye me sika fan say obi adi 20,000 eno no NL discount be to eni so ama me ana
or the better so ama
enti machine no enya hu say
luma in partnership with NL
Okay.
It no Luma marketing Luma technologies no mo ana hold responsible of anything concerning the
machine.
Yes.
Okay. The best we say say fan say my twa noon rush medi 20,000. It's no me ba. Me an say medi. Me receipt. I just medi.
Sir.
E kwan a mo betua me ka de me de ho de nyama sama.
No problem.
But mo betua.
But sir. Sikano free machine.
Because I know phone him say obi e di 20,000 to ma send ya beto dada.
Eno an say nipa no buy ape musika no enni
Medi misika.
Maji musika.
Ti me fa ma mo ma na say me mfa cash ma. Oh okay.
Sadete.
It's just instant we ni ya.
Instant enya bobo aba ni wie ya pe after 10-15 minutes. Obetumi aba be use can free machine so.
Okay, not just me so am ye vendor no. So me use machine we are. Na a day mitimi ye adwuma be 3,000.
Sir.
Na say me kuta be 1,400.
Sanete. Your commission instant na usaka usika.
Betime yi ma de.
Sir, ya no kran so betumi. So wo ton ni na sika na.
So wo ton na sika na ba.
Sika na de wo ho no dada.
Wow.
Wo ho dada.
You more encourage you more you know say omu use machine we no.
Omu use machine because no say only agent no be adwuma. Obi awini, owini kese a afi na secretary no mu.
Na akoye yi.
Sanity. Until be okra for agent no pa no fa na bia nipa no so wadi no so ma pressure.
Ma pressure.
It's other na ma machine ni bi preko.
Let's say we no machine we no so simple.
Simple.
To kiosk no machine ka ho.
Sanity.
Ubetimi dey show bag and a portable baby a ko bia.
Enu ani machine enu ani.
Bibia. Ya load ticket no until nipa no ja wate ama no. Also wo copy. Odi no ba ma compare. Nya fe ne ye ko tworo ne ma bia na obu okra ye se wo anya careful betimi dey. What 72 no otimi achia no akwere 78 o si we ni machine we nya sa
utimi nya de sa utimi nya sa ibi wa na esu oba
ai
book afi na obebo
book na afọ baya o si we ni
use machine na about 720 a onu akasa bepon unko be bi unko close mu obi a etin after 5 minutes na ya bobo na mess no ri na ba unya hwe machine so no so ye be kire ba bia obi adi bia wo su behu wo agent wo be ticket aba
ti obo a obo so be che no
it is any ticket na yira kron na obetumi yi sika ne wo machine so
na say eboa de onu so fansa ni ticket ayira kwa na say o se wa win ne ba ya obetumi confirm so ampa
yes
okay
we ni sika de amano because look to the heading
ti wonya di bi na on timi nyusu ticket ayira no nka say wo mama no
sanity
okay
sanity
eti we no oboba be to mo ho ana
ipacho de bi enton
mo de ma o mo
ye de mo
let's say wa be ye mo agent
sanity it ye de ma say ko yusu ye fe ma say fakoto wo de koto no immediately ye be activate amount ye wo ni ya registration ye registration say pa ya activate wo number no so wo de koto
na nya adwuma e be
hu
ye be jeff
sanity
ye be say ready so be we so dey partial
partial it is sanity
it more encourage omo ye lotto ho adwuma ne say the best option Luma just get the Luma a machine never hear adwuma na enkrata bebrebe ni ade we say AI paperless paperless ti no answer wo ye adwuma a day wo say asusu na go dey say nipa no yiri ne ho ye adwuma apart from say obi abedi lottery ni wan ni nyina no ono an wo nya ni sika o
ono aka say nya ni sika aye no commission
na say day we 20,000 ukuta 900 Ghana
sanity
utimi amamfo timi twa more 3,000 and 1,000 that's obi a ono nkofo timi ba no obetwa lotto no a day which mean ya be 1,500 to no.
O skapa. Into we no. So we sika bi ade beto so bia no. So the 5 cities the beto so a, we say 45% of 5 cities.
Beka ho amount.
What the 100 cities the beto so a, 45% of 100.
There's only 200 to so ukuta 90 cities.
Ukuta 90 cities. Into about 290 cities.
If I say all the 1,000 to so no I multiply 45% of that.
And one kasa be year every year go so. Ubo say.
And grab it my year show but to grab say no start here juma.
1,450. It will be ton 1,450 no. O ton ria no you 450.
Or 450 your there. Oh, okay. I get it, man.
Sanity. Into when so the 3,000 to so o commission no eba be ka 3,000 no ho ama. It will not ton say pa no you commission.
Why you commission what there? Yeah, what there?
Sanadi akoye.
It's good.
Sanity.
Okay. Then if they want to contact her, how many day?
To see idea ye wo Junasi.
Junasi.
Junasi new market ho.
Okay.
Kwada so Junasi.
Kwada so Junasi new market ho.
E ho ne wo. Na contact no 05353
05353
69 302
Satimobile 05353 69 302 05353 69 302
Sanity.
Ofred Luma
also opoku.
O de also hwe opoku. Obeboa mo nya machine bi no ayadwuma. Ese we kra no uni adwuma ya obetima ba o.
Enipa bebre amafo bebre
I take advantage now.
Yeah, di kind ama ebinu but you who say this is the time I say
so we no kra no obetimi I ya show ho na wo de namo.
Sir, say portable.
And say show ho anu bi adu amasa pacho loto.
Sabe pepe.
Nti nya fe na udina fa kon say tu betu an nam krom.
Sir.
Na wo twama nkrofo.
Sir.
Boys ya be su do mbetwo. All right.
Obodu bi abedi biara.
Unsabe kan sika.
Do bi abedi biara.
The only thing I say obi hu time no say noon rush, morning vag ene enumre no.
O ton kakra do
o make ka bibia acho.
O nim time.
Ti fa hu gym na at least so nya bibi kakra to. All right, bokumeda CP. Nyame ka ho. Okay. Ano pay me ma beja for etnase na ya to adwumade no so. Dr. Isaac to for and Dr. Simon Boakye. Bacho mama panel nemra quickly na the ento aso na mre no kra atia na yenya mre ma wo mo na enkomodie no so enko. President Mahama said them kind or say contractors why bibia say 10 billion push. This is about the third time the neabra oka ho asem aba kwantimpomu kwan a wose yede eboa ma Ghana if I entoma pefra no say contractors ni bi won ma adwuma no ma gisika ba mienu nso o ma njima nwie anye oso omo de anya de animanim ha oni on be obetwe o maso pa MPP for enra omo akoko chiri niemem 54 motions and o magi atum na motion 54 no and na form just say we hear motion na motion 1 article 1 now omo kire say include the party's motto, symbol and colors. Party symbol and colors in the constituency, is an obvious omission and not to be rectified. Symbol and colors in the party's constitution. Na emwa I call motion 2 no because me dey che dey na me kan wie kwa na apon won transfer me say but the major ones no me just say how best is going to help any one crony ba. Dr. Simon Boakye now bomb to say the be able call okay
except that me one crabby demand
every one
driver phone
almost say
almost say buy no I killnet action
killnet
as a scam visa no
So
wakyekye o munsa nti me meka nkyerɛ na for no to me na
ɛyɛ driver for no
driver for me be me said that for trotro
na Isaac so dear na driver for ka kyerɛ na de om ka bi ankyerɛ
me be trotro na me fire and driver ni bi an complain say
driver ni bi an complain
did make us so no share from January I no to fuel they say 16 cedis per liter. That's a 9.12. So what two? And you would need
I'm complaining.
I say, send a buying a shop was as I submit my Saturday, and then I got a phone in the head and would say, society.
Okay. So the fuel issue also come forth. Let's look at it also. Dr. Samuel Boakye lecture Amstead and Dr. Isaac Tufo Asante Regional Communication Team member. Na many omo twetwe command no pay adwuma my Ghana ho se be pan into map. Omo pani John Mama say 10 billion big push very soon will be rolled out. Nemom contractors ni bi akwan no tim say waji sika be double enso onye. Waji sika be how they were able to get that money. Omo raise certificate is kanema omni ade no. He said they will be punished. And omo motion 54 no magia tum na I don't want to so at say and as you see our fuel no so unity na Simon Dr. Mamisha say free ho
Didi kan mecha wati fo no ahwefo na machi atwuma nwa beja Central Region MPP Honorable Michael Amoku baby I will be a child the incoming Ashanti Regional Secretary. Amoku.
Wo pede
In Ashanti Regional Secretary at this critical moment. Musa Adena said dami. The ube yin ube so win election. The ube yin nso your strategy ni bia. You don't just choose.
The former
MC
Amoku.
Yes, the strategic
regional secretary.
And at this moment, we need him more.
This is the first time I met it.
Okay, I think say officially at the right time, Obeba.
Okay.
I don't know why a party that's conservative type. To know person a yen saying you know.
Contest
very tough, and we strongly believe say Amoku Bema the needed leadership.
Okay.
At this critical moment.
Okay.
The
current one Uncle Bill.
Do a hot dampine. We yes over contest to be a hot dampine.
And to be Uncle Pribi.
That is it. And I didn't so at this moment only beat me aye. In party funny friend we say weekends in here work cry. One nam jomu or teams will be a bono.
Okay.
Na me ba me party. If I petronia didn't me party leadership. In fact, one thing that I learned this weekend, me who say I confirm my opinion about the meaning that I say leadership is the cause, everything, all other things I effect. For once in many months, your party no leadership no, I strong leadership. Ne say no bet my na shase no na I say yodium na dosu. Your coin. Well structured, well organized. I am for unya. Me kai ye ko phobia ye delegates be di echiko near catch them pomucho. Where the constituency executives nim penifobia na enya. Omu yenko chinchina omobeko. Ye drew on no mo pekwen rem o man ID because unni your friend is saying
tag na.
Rem ye we order. Omu di 54. 52 near you to make I back on. I'm very happy say me timid me advocacy skills no 17 me hu ya nam si no enye I shall say me start advocacy ye drew on ye bom one I say 17 no motion 17 afedi enkofo agya tum say ye mongu ene bogu and so I'm so proud say I led that advocacy na me hu strategy bi so wa o national election bia no get the Ashanti region on board. Na we Ashanti region no afa eduru ho no na other regions need to away me hu say other regions ni so asom and it worked 54 no so na was say no so ye bogu you for ni hu say 17 na ye me wa then some people could dog yes so far we age
now more than 40 no
you see I understand me check cause be youth and development na offer UNICEF and this annual mano there is between 15 and 35 you can you But in politics, in Ghanaian politics, ye can banchiasi in kontumre ameduma dankwame intobroso enia mwa brahabe bumia umfa UNICEF. I was how we share dynamics no. Ube 35 now. One share no when you're the right person to galvanize and to pull the youth.
Aren't you pulling the youth behind?
Never.
Because Ashanti region has a 35-year-old regional minister. He's doing well.
Very true.
Why would you tell me that I have to be 40 years before I become a youth leader?
Yes. And then I make us say, ye can't contomre Ameduma Dankwame Ntobroso Asemo.
But the regional minister, the contemporary Ameduma Dankwame, was
one of a kind. And sometimes one way now make it these inductive conclusions that you may get it wrong. There are exceptions.
Address me.
And the exceptions, sometimes, many times, you get one of a kind doing well. And even with this Ashanti regional minister thing, I always say, for now he's doing well, but time will tell. And you're born about so was had no. The meme can say, uko party anymore. Sometimes youth organizer, no, it's about mobilization, it's about organization. And sometimes at the local level, no, you need somebody else to wait me I establish a gakra. Yen in a Ghanaian society, no. The process you go through sometimes to be able to get to a certain level, to pull people along in terms of resource, in terms of even the ability to gravitate people towards you. As I was so about Brakakra, na yen in a system, no. I was at Toda 40. So Engosi 40 na say we bebunu but umwedu and no sa no kasa carry weight. Edi ya nhwe ya ubenya 35 ni bi okumasi a or ye very influential or obedi dwumani but 35 ni bi wa twuma ngobeja no ontimi ni sa dwumani. Okay. You need 38 39. And the one we now be for Kumasi Accra dynamics now.
Nah, I beat you.
But majority now moya grassroots you other community level. I want to numbers no. Entina mega says regional. Now was say your boss nugu. Now we munu propose the UNICEF kind of thing 35. But the ensure ye can't make duma dan kwame asem. And the ensure scenario no. Any dynamics name for any
across the
length
and breadth of the country.
And I think say majority of the people found reasoning with that and almost supported that agenda. And for now, Yadim Kunim 52 out of the 54. I think it's for the good of the party. 17 you say America say I strongly led that advocacy no. Now I will say the regional executive will nominate someone to come and supervise the elections at the constituency level other than the police station executive, constituency executive member. And I'm saying no. Yen yet for more yen na yenim obi or ye party na dwuma a obet ma yen ye. Wo regional executive yi na wo.
Yeah, no you will be aba.
Onim ground so and you 1 2 a time make so
no you on who nipa.
No about be influence because me watch man of just out. Met my watch man of just out. Obi ampe Ghana be animation oba election bia he ho sorry tiano because for twice oba ho no be mess up that time kra na mranta agire region yi ni ba oba otimi be jai nomination go na ya chena najo oba nipa ni beje no aga o mu bia nkofi moko ya najo 12 na
Ghana be you say onom wo persona non grata ho.
I am telling you and he knows. Because Obaho Yakacha in the last contest will be bunko to be. People told him in the face that no, we are going to vote against you.
As MP.
No, now or call your friend is a regional, But what is a big and your uncle all across the constituencies. I thought that we regional supervisors on Kosha.
No messy up. So now my boguntino, what's going to happen is
now the existing
the
committee system.
They know the dynamics
at the ground. Enti obon se bibie ekoso kama enti me feel say your party na ya there and the structures this time around no man go ehwe animu bia your one leader your friend say one former flag bearer or goodwill message on for my nyese ni papufo bia meka bi because I thought that we can
I think you did well
and a hono omo de omo na isi from nipa ba ko be kasa there also can former president Kufuor, former
minority leader within the message from parliament.
Solid. And ultimately everything was in order, and we have gotten the result.
So now your national chairman at all time is the
leader of the party.
Whether you are the flag bearer, whether you are president.
No, but at the point, so at the point Ibenya flag bearer. At the point Ibenya flag bearer, the flag bearer becomes there. But say no, on say young party ni mo. Secretary no power.
Yeah, the
meetings that the chairman,
the secretary acts as the CEO
of the party. That thing holds. But now no, especially at this opposition time no, the chairman is the leader of the
when
party.
You go to elections and you elect a flag bearer, he takes over.
That is the leadership.
When you are in government, who is the leader?
The president.
Okay. Not just say
our party no. But in terms of
that's then nothing has changed.
That is it. But this time around, yakoshemu kena. But what they say first,
because the maybe himself say at all times the national chairman is the leader. So at what point and at all times not stop it?
What we say, young party in the way sit here no. Young secretaries no. Our power. I must say, our party.
I agree, but what I'm saying is the statement that came was the national chairman, no ambiguity now.
Yes.
At all time,
yes,
it's the leader.
Yes.
Why he is the leader?
Yes.
To the best of my understanding, unless you are telling me something else.
Yes, he is the leader, especially at the opposition. But when we say we flag bearer. So they say.
Well, they say the national chairman will be the campaign chair.
Very true.
Yes.
Very true.
No other.
That is it. He becomes the campaign chair and also leads in decision making. What we say, yeah, call elections. Flag bearer no the cotton as in who becomes who. But what they say, this time around the flag bearer can do that. He does that with approval from the national chairman.
Okay.
It is a vacuum na ya creating or no flag bearer no
when a communication director because he's riding on the wheels of the vehicle of the party
to do whatever. And it's our power no na say yaje.
Now the formers, quick one. About to our motor on 31st January.
Yes.
Now more increase. Okay. Omo was is here no 5 no na ekoto aba no.
Yes.
Ebrebe na 7 no beba into play.
Enti ebrebe into play on senior me no. Ye won kofo a omo de yenim omo dada. Former MC, former constituent executives, former yenim omo dada. Enti
there will be no problem getting a data.
Any rigid procedure.
Omo de ombe to be 31st.
But your kofo bia embremu no one omo time crown say constituency executives near yin no obia 4-year term in so any police station enti 31 after 31st December no na ye got 2 police station executives
and no na 7 be 7
any be 7 no
enti mu to omo wi a omo na ba to constituency
omo na fi omo to
plus the former MCs and former MPs now omo de omo shebro so from after 31st January there will be an expansion.
That is it.
But even now 31st no omo identified. I think it makes sense. It makes sense. My idea.
And so far the party no in fact weekends na many aji. Entina honorable Afenyo Marcus Berger say we should stop feeling sorry for ourselves. Say yes, this is the message. Because I mean for 7 months sebi manusi simina so say odofu bi kura ne wu ya ka yawo ne soti na yedi ehu abobo abesi it was a message at the right time say ye kan bibia anto ensem na weekends nso ehu sade no ani je ahofama odosro nko ana abeda ye ntem no na efe na ani da so 2028
other petrol issue
oman asam ne nye se mo amfamo na nsi fom na mamfama no antomo a driver for no omo de adwendwene be ha bi de nti American san ne se wo ba ye na a driver for you be ka kire omo na omo kro omo tum omo yi no e na wo be force omo e na omo ti omo lorry fe nanka sa time no wo de sa a man for say 1 cedi per liter na me no yet Ghana me aka say amadu mu adanko ame ene Ashton Contour House no yen yeto ye petrol e wo gallon yen ton in liters mo akrachi fo na moto in liters na the omni say aban the 4.5 4 cedis 50 pesos and or they are to 1 gallon so prekupe je say omuhu meti and na wo they ato so wo force drivers no mo tie o mo lorry fare ni so no and as say wo the 4 cedis 50 pesos abeto petrol so 1 gallon so coupled with the fact say last week here and a mazi for na beka say omuko port to asem na omuka eni nyina na oman aban no port no onye hunhwe o enye dollar na asem no kwa de me ba o port ayi no onye hunhu na mazi for no press conference omo ye ayi ni say ka ba ko na omo fa pa na omo fa na sa time no MPP time no omo fa between
Voxy
good ene what can you do? Wouldn't say almost
55,000.
That is it, 260,000. And now moka. And say now yes, why you kill net strategy would there be to scammers. And now sadly now wouldn't to giant dollar na ye can once na ya na me no can say dollar rate you know maybe I may buy me say dollar rate in yan can bank. Abochi won ye can. And now I manage say that no kwabre east MP Sukai. The banks have the rate, Abochi has the dollar. And the dollar no one akwache. It is beyond the fact say, or no call radio or call your friend is saying, port or na only and your money boakosron yenyantisono. Dollar no so or they call pre-biniso when you be. In fact, and yes so kobanga the maximum you can get $20,000. Beyond it you can get. It is kind of modeko cranium manusoba omunya. Eti omu anyoma ma eno that shortage alone no can go up. And beyond that no dollar nso a ono onse nya ne bonso said basically. Eti amasa anyoma we nyina no affect omu. Eti spare parts bo kosro, petrol bo kosro, driver na ya yire no amana te ne lorry first. And a driver for no. In fact say omu ntiminka. Na ehihye omumu na enemeti kamu enkomo a omu di kire ye friend saying yenya ye tika ne mu nyina no enye papa enti oman ye nyina fa ya no ntum na yenhwe se aban no sa priam strategy qnet strategy ma mi o sister ni o landing strategy na okase hwa na ono dia fa no obeti sa ne oman so na petrol ni indeed in fact the year who say no oman I'm telling you say by 2 months from now petrol no be sa ko 16 cedis.
Why predicting
why
that?
Because year ko September aboga for ni because there is going to be high demand
for the dollar
and that is it. And from September economy means 2 months, yes, 2 months from now a petrol no, I want to tell you because for now maybe I me turn no cry for no and then maybe me turn 12.10 Pajwa say a other first elite companies here in the muno
it be a 13
it be hitting almost 14 yeah. I am saying say from 2 months from now you better add 16 Ghana cedis now you call the na you saying now you cry free so na saying we're hovering around 13 14 yeah so and the figures are there.
It was 14.7
and no yeah the elite companies we know but baby I me turn na me turn 13 at a point na me turn 12.7 near the crap. It basically ya ntwe ya sanyoma we nyina no be west na
petrol liter was 14.75 as of January 7th.
Well,
that is when Omanhene Yaw took over.
That is it.
But today some are selling at 13, some are selling at 14. Depending on the Total, and I think there's another one.
No,
Goyle, they're the lowest with 12.
Bubo di India na just menya mbajaje say nti ukosa nkofo we companies we nyina na your varied prices a omo no ya de neje nti o man ni o mehu eni o manye and I feel say I was have buy no de na si form the difference between MPP and this ni say yen first time no o man na wa first 1 year no man ni more de ehwo na akufuado ye ka kire ni say petrol na yentum dollar na gina fa ko na bibie ekoso kama ehwo na ye kra odi free SHS ba ye party for ni biga say o pre hondo do se meye first time no na asumdwe na hoto o man na o mo no de age o mo nsam ntem Now my phone is suntem. Now man make kana me dem no ba wie no. The ma asem ne ehun ni say dollar no mo ntimi manage because I have said it on other platforms. Na me kana wa because platform no ko achi. Dollar no de enti o ebaji o mo nsem ne say o ma link dollar no to link dollar no to galamse unim. Ya set gold board. Gold board no adwuma o de an say onto gold. Now gold board mean to mean to gold in free AGI, want to mean to free Newmont, want to mean to free A. And to my info for no better. Small scale. Any gal. Now look at my World Bank. Go and read the contributions of Galamsey and small scale to gold. But
production.
It's almost 40%. And this a buying topic Galamsey. It means a gold board in your gold.
In your gold on top. Also more.
And basically, currently they are experiencing with dollar. No, it's because of the gold board way. Or no to that ton policy no or to gold no akoton no the Bank of Ghana now Bank of Ghana jai dollar na gum at any point in time to suppress pressure na beba dollar. So that is what we are experiencing now.
So and for you is a knee jerk.
I am telling you, me say it's sustainable because at one leg we are fighting Galamsey, another leg we are praising the dollar thing, and because nimi no you interdependent or can Galamsey na it's going. Yes, so you're managing the environment. So right now, what we are doing is that we are praising the dollar and I sacrificing the environment.
Okay,
and it's not sustainable.
Thank you, Ajik.
Reverend
Makwaba.
Yeah.
Let me put it that the interbank rate is 10.3, the Boakye is 12.2.
And that one.
Mami too.
Me that's it. Me chia for near for Ajik Bray and paying na no more share. Na ye was sentiment mu there. No platform no national one. And international minua ba bi or land na joa and no pay also or share. Anti mechi akura club ya Santa Kotoko hene. Free Kotoko wie Kotoko. And he said that they say kutu
say bam.
Anyo die ni bia.
Asante.
We asante there.
Asante akade.
Asante akade. Tina no pay akwa buburu na no pay so mechia na machia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Awa akoma pa ne. Ehihye pa and na masisi from apa asha se ebo Ghana. Na machia Regional Minister Dr. Frank Abako hene. Babunu yire ho na bo adwuma. Wa me ehunu se bibi wo babunu mu. Amasi MPP for omuhu di omonye na macha me boss lawyer Bass ne redeem so adope me sha say free MPP delegate conference ye free wa na fe maba petrol ne
okay
any other matter na ye hwe MPP delegate omkoye ye de nyame aso omonkwa ho so omkoye na omawie and how share the setup. We hear sending a stadium with the creative no year arrangements and na airfare. But just little incidents did the CC. I know so me who say about me photographer no punching and and then the whole no quite down. Punching and him face so Honorable Kennedy. Onu so gure ma one ne nkrofo mo ni police na
say e kan mo gure chiro ya mama
ngure ha ni nyina na de the sad part cry na bi oh area se on untimi se obi omo se so obi du twa enkona na so ordinary dey etwadu se mantie do omo ni padua na omo ho den boa e ma party ba power na won neglect omo uja omo ho omo ye die no omo so asetena mu onfa ho na say ye lucy power we na fe na wo ba be krokro de jona sa no mo be guys no omo amatwufo ni gina ha omo du omo nkomo no ho na national organizer say kokoti ama na betri so okochia o de akwa de kai o se materechi enfino kra
ase mo mun fina na bi
mo mun finu kra o mun yo mo mun ndi o mun komo o mu wi ana so o me na na bi so tia wa pai ni ku kwa pai
so say
adint na ante ne kasasa die ti suntu no kasasa because omo o be fa omo do omo ye nkuru tudwuma
That's a nay no ube di 8 years no man who for so be honest and never say ba omo nche no mo say mo do omo common yo mo wi am be na won te ase a very long can just say me mom o ka kire ni mi ama ka mom fi no kra eti such ko we die o dwene ho kra na de me ya be ba na na me say me bo ma ba so say no mo kwa side this scam is American ho asem but the omo youth front na I don't think MPP is ready for power. The reason why I make Kasane is share population. Wamo wamo na ikura o mama inu krom. Is the youth front. And on my be a youth in the Dutch when in Jehon, umfa when in Yachiri. Now we shall say omo benya baby ejina no. Let's say o partner as or mine no edi dachi. And he say acquire youth fund now say still young fan kokra for because mabunu ni de omu mobra na omu ni sika na ye di sika nkwa na pre to me mabunu omu beko efie ni fie mu akọ ka asem na wo candidate dey ba se no ti Ghana for hwe esonto abama no wo say omu ni sika omu mobra na obedi 35 no more bra. E dey say no me nwia tie do ntu pa yes this what the 40 and say no bra. When you be age no when the 40 years. Now only 40 years.
Na so what you need 40.
That me
oh what the 40.
That be.
One so need 40. But Etibajo National Youth Organizer. Won't me.
Is it matchmaking?
Wait.
Why the guy send you won't crank to a mode?
No. Oh man, I didn't enter so when 40 no a couple 40 ni a cap. It doesn't mean say the OD 32 ninti me medio, but 40 ni a cap. The baza come for you.
Men come for be annual. Me there me ya say aha enunti some come we no ama reverend. Ya who say MP mu pa wo ma. Wo ye babu na to adwene. Was a PhD holder. Less than 40 years. PhD easy. When try 6 years.
Now not from.
Why your first degree 4 years. Okay, masters are 2 years. PhD 6 years. They what advanced they do a 1 year and do 4 years.
To 12 years.
12 years. We now have more. We have a catcher say 35 no na or more bra. What ya more bra? And a bra baby na ye kan wase.
Oman Mr. Correction.
You kron kitu.
Obogumbe.
You kron kitu ma ye wono.
32 even 29. 40 ni a cap.
Ye can youth front na no ye can say. Ye say MPP tia. No kwansa. No go so fudwini. Ye mrantesam a ye mrantesam. I say I poster be me hu ye me refi political party na women organizer na be man na agent. Oh yeah. Mama.
CP before no say sound mo dey because the last time a baby no mo youth organizer this 62.
Yeah.
And I say Kofi mu ba ya omutimi be ye man dey man sign.
Na youth organizer every 62 ye catch obo ye tna ke ma konkrasi akọ. Obeka ye say ni kotuje. Okoba kwa ontimi mabuna ye de be ye no.
Oze Kofi mu na be ma isi CVP maburu na be ba. Ka ye renko yi.
The reverend ye say ya better na mabunu na ewom sisi no.
No, but say what him say the cap is 40. Meaning say if you're 35,
even 24,
obey to me. Now may you for organizer. But no more per se cap near 35.
Send your beya a bema mabunu na hunu say almost they belong. Sense of belong.
No, but 36 you are still a mabunu.
You kokra phone film.
Now you're 40 hour ya
that's the issue.
40 ya.
You youth front na can wasemo. Wa ka say UNESCO. There area see ye nyina ye giti.
And go see 35.
In 15 to 35. Na ye see ye fancy one wa say that be.
Mungo 40.
Ye fa 40 because me na some back what kan ye say 44 na abobra. Was it 35 no na bra no unya money ye. And na mo say na PhD 6 when you less than 40.
Bra baby na.
Bra baby na wo pass.
Oman money mogum.
Bra baby.
Okay.
Eti no mesro mo MPP die. We ye babunu na wotie me a. NDC ye punu na bi hwe. send an example, less than 35 years, regional minister. And your regional minister be a say be a region be a more Ashanti region. Ashanti region is when the Ashanti region. And by a politics without Ashanti region, we MPP, we NDC, you can't. Ashanti region they decider. If you more analysis of and floating regions, oh boy, decider Ashanti region. So we a political party now where you or target where you know Ashanti and now one get close to Ashanti,
you lose.
Yeah. And even when it comes to internal politics, class here but open national portfolio. Now Ashanti region I'm back, forget it.
Yeah.
Forget it. Where they will lose. If the Ashanti region they decide that your politics money, that's say NDC who say Babunu 34-year-old or no crime made this so and Ashanti and ye bibiako or hinu chrome. Or he seat or say croup and no cry who is a babunu betime and pass what he need you 2 mono ye who had the abranti and so party basi wo dey they say what food general say me can we am ranting and
Petro
say omo for omo hombra na Petro asem no enka ebeya nka ND MPP omo nya the last matters of Petro because anya hwekura no December 5th Ghana Web January 20th 2025 now fuel price petrol 15.59
January what?
January 20th
January.
yes at Shell petrol was 15.95 it 95 no crana 59 in free so na am pegging at 15 cedis and they mean dog PhD holder I catch they say all ban no pay or to fuel no or 12.1 simple mass crown is out free ma obenya say 2.9 difference and how do you want to fresh obenya 3 cedis difference inti aban buy NDC aban buy ye nim hwe kra no ya nya hwe kra na ye mbu man ne ye no kra no fuel
Pacho as at January 7, 2025, petrol prices in Ghana varied by oil marketing company. January ranged from 14.75 to 15.5 per liter. So you are correct. We do facts finding.
And look at all mind the old baby better means me transfer. And I do make sure no the gurus na mo odoguru
to aso
and means me megina me transfer yes adogu me ma say eti say even ya nya hwempo no say ne driver no to fuel na say per liter 3 cedis free so gallon bia so no and a gallon na no ka ho asem no e wo mu 4.5 liters inti ye fa dog ye ma me 4.5 4 times 3 say na driver
4.3 oh
make 3 cedis per liter
what the 4.5 Ghana cedis now to so
that be make
let me understand you as at 15.50
and then
what if I said 15.50 that was per liter times 4.5
yes yes
times 4.5 which means a petrol a gallon was 69.75
yes
okay
and
now we use to highest we use to lowest
oh that be CFF free maybe FF free and
okay
and then they so no the same 4.5 no
send then and they move for free they be a 14.75 now we use to 15.5
wow confirm me and they can one
back here 14.75
they use to highest no so we see name they use to highest no to that
okay
you know na and they so no 12.1 ono there o maybe
ono there lowest
ono baby ono toye baby ono toye na we man ka chen so on ka say lowest we say you etie for 12.1 times 4.5 no and also be my 54 cedis
and it say
and na year 21st it also 12.1 nti eno so ebe my what the time say 4.5 na let's obenya 54 cedis 45 pesos what 64.75 no free 54.45 na driver ni na save 10 cities 30 pesos per every gallon. Say driver ni to gallon back bi ana ni sika eswate a obetimi dey yard for 10 cities 30 pesos. When ye abaya obaye so onya ade o onwene timamufo ho na ni tirimo odin se ne meyindok ameyate ase say NDC abaya baye ye hunu de ye ni tirimo odin na driver fo su no enei no ye NDC tirimo odin kra.
Okay, so we have 12.88 per liter. That is what per the Okan, you know. And then so the rate is 12.88.
It is here the 12.88 times 4.5. Ubenya 57.96.
Which means 12 cities, almost 12 cities, over 11 cities, and every
so. It is a NDC more modern. Yeah, young minute to me form. I make come be at the many trimun. Yes, Yanko Brew, yeah, Banny or some puffing. Send your people for so much.
Martin 11 cities, every gallon back or so. Even though the 4.5 account.
Or no, said I had the 4.5 from Parker Hono.
It's nice and come on for 4.5 now.
And Nini Bay said 4 over 15 cities. And the NDC are buying Yanyadi. Montpellier, Dentia.
Oh man, don't fall for this.
Dentia. And then I'm gonna phone because you told us you will not do this. You drive a phone complaints is no. Even though you are doing the mathematics well for them, no. Omo complain is Momo omo so 15. Omo tiase. And I'm the one abe choke wo. Tiase, you are taking away their profit.
That be for profit. And when I make say, the driver need to ask man. I say Ghana need be able to question now. A legitimate question.
Okay.
You almost say sika yet is every moment.
Okay.
Bien wa wo yisika sika ye na ho be here say ye nya sa for we say sika no fuel no so te na say wo kakase bi sum ba bi the same energy hono no ye wo kakase bi so and ya denti na ye mfa ye take advantage of this other than sacrifice on the my de sa one seed no ebe two fuel so enti I don't know how much say no even though you dey one seed no eto so no cry no obeka say fuel no at that 12 that need to 4.5 cedis per liter no still now on take and as on Philippine no because or the compare just January 6 months 7 months ago now no papa na sene enti kind of sra na dey sra mo senka dio fa so mbenye ni nyina no ye fa bi ni fa nkotu aka na se ne be ya sa aka de bia legacy debt air pile no ye betima ye flow na fish ye betima to fuel ye dia power ye electricity na light no.
The minority says you are not going to use the money to pay any oil or debt because you removed emissions tax, you removed, you have created a loophole of 6 billion in your budget, and as a result you needed to fill that loophole, and the amount you budgeted or projected for the one Ghana is 5.7, almost approximating 6 billion. No say.
And no, Obaka say a coincidence, and then the be shy.
And Tenesa,
there be yes, far from that, and yet a loophole na ye person a bridge into a smart move who say ye nya sad drop we need let's take advantage of it. And on the basis ye who say a budget through IMF guidelines near my target say this is how much you are supposed to spend. Budget no not that gap no abeda. But that gap no beda you say any dey bit me ye use more efficient and prudent means I the best spend this car. And Obama wasteful expenditure be bring na subscriptions I would want normal na nka obeka say aye incentive a okọ nnwuma ma enso ne ehunu say eye ka ne nyina ne yi freeze fu a esenka unofficial duties amafo benya coupons dey aye normal normal dey cha amafo ne dey mama mo mpran se se ne sa normal ne yi fro ne nyina be cut cost it be in ebe iti ebe dia ko sa gap na ewo ho nim
okay
and even near here the way even gold board our cover by projections are here, you know. We are exceeding it. Projections are gold board a year, you know. We are exceeding it. If Sika ayade aba more Sika by mind means saga media and then you being all the means and they say yeah follow that physical discipline.
I'm a failure.
They are failing. It didn't know issue. Instead of when and then a be shy do and then the shy no figures and I said bang so when they be an intradabi.
Okay. But me I'm sure birthday soon after memra. And they are Beku of Ghana. Papa Eben, Electricity Company of Ghana, Wadapa, Kojo Sian of Continental Electoral Commission. Today is your birthday from Preska Brua, and then Ruth Akowia MTN. Ruth, happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day to the max. Baby, wife. Josiah Adum Kofi Mensah from Mr. and Mrs. Mensah of Santasi Brofodu. Josiah, happy birthday to you. Sweet wife Martha of Impatuum. Today is your birthday from your husband Kwaku Samson. Then Gladys Ejapoma, a nurse at Nyahini Government Hospital. Zakaria, Nyahini Ambulance Service Station sends that. Mr. Paul Amwa, aka OG of Boshen. Today is your birthday from Master Tinti of Nyahini. And then Master Sasu of Wasa Guavaso. Obrimpong from Obrimpong Kwame Eboa. Mr. Kofi Adudom Fair. Kofi Adudom Fair. Oh, Love FM, Kofi Adudom Fair. Okay. Inshra FM news editor from Akosia Sume Japan of Sompa TV. Faran Abdul Basiru of Nazareth Montessori Otafo from your parents Sewa and then Bash. Katura Echa upon Yabua of Dumasa Xavier Primary. Mr. Paul Francis and Elizabeth Viola or Viola Meno Papa. Abdul Rashid and Newa Woda Sister Hajia Aisha sends that to you. Charlie, my round, doctor. Will be 3 minutes. Been a
mathematics in Sabi.
One would do matter.
Dear dog, ye would mathematics and ye driver for this or Montiase. Oh man, the woman say, was just a critical variable. Driver for the Geo Molori Phil. MPP, Shayania to Tinyoma Bay smooth ma 1 of first 3 months. And you're my bar for one now, we zero more tea or Molori Fellows. That is the fact. And so variable no jaw. But I just say, and now for we no, more motives we no, now bam. What do I take a crab enough 5 cities? What do you have to swam? It's a more mutimudomo with all this, pots, the announcer, we sell mobile sell better to Sonunzua. Mazi for Nisi Wunti, so tongue. I feel quite a cost. I'm a near motor 35,000. Say what on 55,000. That is the difference. 80 cent no koto spare passer. No tono 1,000 Ghana and no tono 1,005 because still pot one in your mother so cost. And why is there no money above form? And they say no. I yet to set it in Remuna price control no. But now we are in a very liberal economy now. Yem foresee will be a demand and supply at play. But this time around no. As a woman that was a bono saying among funny period it ends there. But we are in a liberal economy and you leave the system for demand and supply to work. But omudi omu jirin confirm o matete money omaso. Na basa money so artificial say and sustainable because at a point driver for no na nsem wo omu ka say omu cost strike. Omu cost strike just one day. They see so musa could be wa Ghana will be hot. Oh, be hot economy no nti you're very careful with this now with the mathematics ni bio oh man sa January asem na ne ka no ne top petrol ni bi 14.75 tisa de okay ene ya no oil companies ni bi eton 14 the same 14.75 media me to me may a hima obia or radios. So man na be bodina. But your companies ni be driver for na etono. Any baby or mono petrol ni bia petrol ni etono 14.75. Me na me see me chinchina jasabi. I will inform me PDF. Timi chinchina no makoto no 12.10. Eno kwa nkofo ka se ehu. Ye no tono for almost omo koto no baby 14.75. Multiplier the same 58 point something. It is said that na ho na. Sa time no na driver no eji ni sika na oje no. Na ye nyere no ma ne ntene lorry fare so. Ena wo ba ye wa be yire na ma na tene lorry fare so. Ena afi wasa to petrol mu. De ehunu no. Enti se no mo na mo ena o musugu o mo yam. Enioma nye ebinum crash asenti se wo mamponti no oba. De eni obetima ya ne se obeba besi tafo no abesi pankro no abesi ahwa no wo saa na oye because wa anya saa wonya ni sika. And that is very dangerous. Tiade na ye mo kwan na de wo said eda no ye de to na afei o pai mamponti na o kasa oba mamponti a wa ba direct na temamuni no ho ankyere no dan se o yire no na wa bo no tafo na wa bo no hwa no asa na odru pankro eno na this hard ne ban na no say akosiko ogina kwantira bro ni say you have dug a hole to cover a hole say because omunya hwenti say no wire na manate ni lorry.
So what do you want the government to do now?
The government must now unfair people to the table, non discussing issues properly. Anyesa tafo ni we no bekoso asi ebuakwa or kon carry but obebo
as now almost be take things into their hands.
So why na manate na nzu nti afi obebo okwa carry but obebo so full line no abo ebuakwa no abon carry.
Na say my no omobo.
Say no mo sakwa is enya maye no says omoba afoforo na me fa say ahun taba system ni mo. Enti na it looks as if say obi eye.
Na say akwa omo stop it.
And enti sa nyoma na omo ayire omo jan ni nyina no na say hard drivers no. Enti say no ye mo mako straight dia. Yenya nyoma ye na petrol ni bo entrafo. Who be some there was aban ne ye. Sa 4.5 no. Ehun
onyi freso. Ma me nje o.
That's say akoina me ka share. Eti for kaka ne mebuna 80. Say aban a oba odwene won. Mebuna 80 aban a oba odwene won ho. Na desoa ne burden anti the oye nyina odigu akwan mu nyina so mbe fa omuso benya from ye o abrabom ANDC nti mabunu nyina emfa o mo hunje aban ne hyehyɛ bia odi agu akwan ma oye is the first phase of adwumawura no o ma take applications na we o ma say be second one and here for content creators o call NEIP website wa abuhunti wa wonije media hope say ultimate creative content they will take you through the process we are equipment ni normal be here no so aban ne the be free nti international apprenticeship program so on wa pese osuan sanu juma eno so sanu juma bia pese osuan bia so aban na bi na apono se obefa no wa me yatetewo sa na fe so trin san so aban ne betua na fe steppings aisa alawa kakra de be ye case kan de obedi so aban na hwese obedi mesre mabunu ni de obia normal ye nyina sisi akokon ketekete so ya August September through the southern part Ashanti region so be shall say eduru ha obi anfa ne ho nhyem
yen nkokon
yenye nkokon na yenye de ti eka o kan sa ya no bu ha
na amana e ti sa say
sa grobi ne edi nanso Porsche nkoa Ghana spending over $300 million
every year
import here a sector it me Mexico $300 million a sector kito
and yes sector kito
this is an opportunity for you to
take advantage of. Dr. Jofo Meda say adwoa ahofe papa bi ene wa woda adwoa ahofe papa bi ene wa woda afei mame mo BSG Limited, most outstanding in outdoor advertising and brand visibility expert. Yera kojo bonsu our ye patron Emma Liberty Conference protocol Asante Business Merit Award. Ono na a man of the most outstanding in outdoor advertising and visibility brand visibility expert. Not just say billboards no money near ma ye adverts ma but no Yura Kojobo Nsuna ye born abaso na we can only wish him well. Be CEO of BSG Limited. Eba billboards nominee sa ne ma na omo ye ho adwuma pa na ye ma no award kese se. Na we be here invitation. Obeba bra. Say Liberty Conference ya me invite you.
Make us say freely by
Oba. One person beba. Atiera Kojobo, congratulations on behalf of Liberty Conference, Spirit Life community, and the entire members. We wish you all the best, and we say congratulations on any Hokani or Bapa, a Bonnie normal combination in Yagro, most outstanding in outdoor and then visibility adverts. Why are there? Business executive for Smile I'm organizing here. Nyamisha Kojo, and we wish you all the best. BSG, the best. Okay, Sam Radio, Emba Betrasi. Now what they are good here, Hunsem, Atwaeso, Makramo.